morning, Clark Middle School. Well, it's Tuesday, and so I hope you had a great first day with e-learning. If you didn't, that's okay. It was our first day, so if you have any questions, you need any help with anything, just let us know. Just keep in communication with your teachers. Let me know how I can help, and we want to help you. We learned a lot yesterday, and everyone had a lot of great things to say. We were all happy to see you, and so keep up the good work. And like I said, let us know. Today, we are going to open my grab bag. I just thought it'd be something fun, a brain break for you. This is from Sunshine Sisters. I really like them. You'll see me wearing the tie-dye t-shirts sometimes. My masks, I have several masks from them, so they're just fun. They have a really positive message. It's really fun colors, and I like to get their surprise packages just because I like to get fun things in the mail and be surprised. So I thought this would be fun for you. So I did open the top, so I got this over break, and so when I opened the top, I stopped because I thought I want to do this with you guys. So let's see what's in my Sunshine Sisters Be Kind package. It's a tie-dye grab bag, surprise grab bag. So let's see. So I'm gonna pull it out here. So let's pull it out. Okay. Oh, nice. So the grab bag is a bag. I'm so excited. I don't have one of these yet. Here's a tie-dyed Be Kind bag. That's pretty cool. So let's see what's inside. What do you think's inside? Do you think everything's tie-dyed that's inside? I don't know. I'm not sure. All right. Let's reach in here. Let's see. I feel lots of different things. Let's pull out this one first. Oh, it's a new mask. It's a tie-dyed mask. This one has the wire at the top. It's really soft. It's really bright colors. That's really fun. So I got a new mask. Let's see what's in there next. Let's see what's else. Something big. Let's pull the big thing out. Ooh, a new shirt. So see, this one's definitely different colors than the one I have. So this is cool. I love this. All those different colors: teal, pink, yellows, blues. Has the peace sign. Mine has the sun. My other one has the sun. Other shirt. So this one's new. This one has the peace sign. You might have seen me wear the Be Kind, the red tie-dye on the last day of school before break. Had a Christmas tree. It was a Christmas themed one. This one's really cool. Really like it. Let's see what else is in there. There's more. Ooh. A bracelet. On the outside it says, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." It's a great message. It's orange on the outside. If you flip it over, it's kind of two-sided. You can flip it each way. It's just some tie-dye designs. Isn't that cool? So you can wear it either way that you would like. Let's see what else. I think I have one more thing in here. Here it is. I hear it. Hear the crinkling. So it's in plastic. That is. Oh, it's a tie-dyed lanyard. Let's open this up. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's for the mask. It's a lanyard for the mask. It says "Always be kind" on the inside, or one side, and on the other side it's tie-dyed. Oh, I had it upside down. "Always be kind" on this side, and then on the other side it's tie-dye. Oh, that's cool. So you can use it as a lanyard for your mask. That way you don't forget where you put it, like I do a lot. Put it down. That's cool. All right, so these are the things I got in my grab bag. I got a bracelet. It says, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." It's two-sided. I got a cool new shirt. I got a mask lanyard with a new mask. And I got a bag. That's cool. Okay, so thank you for opening my grab bag with me today. I hope you have a great day. Today is usually Trivia Tuesday, so today trivia is going to be a little different. I have it's actually maybe a trivia favor today. I have created a check-in just to see how you guys are doing, if you need anything, how e-learning is going. And so if you log into the Best Meet with Mrs. V Google Classroom, which you're in now watching this, find the new form, which should be listed under on this video. It's a check-in form, Google form, and if you complete that, it'll help me out because I can see if it's working and give me any ideas on there. There's a spot on there that you can give me any ideas for future trivia questions. Also, if you complete it or you complete any of it, you'll be entered into a drawing for a shirt. Okay, so I have a few of these shirts. I bought a couple other ones, so my first giveaway is going to be for a shirt. And how about, let's do this. How about I'll also give away a shirt, and I'll give away a bracelet. Okay, so if you fill that Google form out, I'll put you in for the drawing for a bracelet and a t-shirt, and I will draw for those on Friday. So you have until Friday. That form will be up all the time. I will make it so that you can fill it out as many times as you need to give me back information or let me know if you need anything. So you can fill it out anytime you need it, and I will keep checking it for responses. So that will be up all the time. But to be in for the drawing, just fill it out. Make sure you fill it out by Friday. So on Friday, I will draw for winners for a shirt or a bracelet. Okay. Let me know how I can help you. Keep checking back. I'll be putting something in every day, Google Classroom. So have a great day, everyone.